Hello, students. Good morning to you all. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. Students, today we will study general knowledge. So, all of you take out your GK books and open page number 13 in your GK books. आप लोग अपनी GK के books निकाल लीजिए पेज नंबर 13. So our next chapter is purely vegetarians. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 20th 8 2020. Write down CW, underline classwork and date. So our chapter is purely vegetarians. What do you mean by vegetarians? Vegetarians means people who eat plants, who depends on plants for their food. There are two types of people. One is vegetarian and another is non-vegetarian. Vegetarians peoples are the people who depends on plants for their food. वो लोग किस पे depend होते हैं? Plants पे depend होते हैं for their food, like fruits, vegetables, wheat, rice. All these things are vegetarian. So vegetarian people depend on plants for their food. वो plants पे depend करते हैं for their food. And another category of people is non-vegetarian peoples. Non-vegetarian peoples क्या होते हैं? Those peoples who depends on animals for their food. It means they eat meat, fish, chicken, eggs, all these things. So non-vegetarian peoples eat flesh of animals. Alright, they eat vegetarian things also, but they eat non-vegetarian things also. So they are called non-vegetarians. तो vegetarians क्या होते हैं? जो plants पे depend होते हैं, जो rice, wheat, pulses, cereals, all these things जो लोग खाते हैं. And non-vegetarians are the people who eat flesh of animals also, like fish, meat, chickens. Alright, so there are two types of people, and today we will study about purely vegetarians. VEGETARIANS, vegetarians. People who eat food that comes from plants. ऐसे लोग जो ऐसा फूड खाते हैं जो प्लांट से आता है are called vegans. So people who eat food that comes from plants are called vegans. They do not eat fish, meat, chicken and eggs. वो लोग क्या नहीं खाते? They do not eat fish, meat, chicken and eggs, as they are considered as non-vegetarian things. So they eat only those things which comes from plants. They depend on plants for their food. They do not take even milk and milk products. They do not eat or take milk also, drink milk also, because they consider milk as a non-vegetarian thing. There are some people who consider milk and milk product as non-vegetarian things. Now let's start the exercise. Complete the crossword with the help of vegetables. There is a crossword puzzle given here. and you have to complete it with the help of the figure given here. ये जो आपको पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं, ये देख के आपको ये पजल कंप्लीट करना है. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1, what is this? This is a diagram of a cabbage, and you have to fill the spelling of cabbage in this crossword puzzle. So number 1 is here, C A double B A G E, cabbage. C A double B A G E, cabbage. So this is the first one. Now the next one, this is also number 1, and this is carrot. So you have to fill carrot in number 1 also. There are 2 diagrams in number 1. So C A, R is already written, R O T, carrot. C A double R O T, carrot. So this is also number 1. Let's move to the next one. This is radish. You have to fill radish in number 2. This is number 2, R A D I S H, radish. यूज़ ओनली कैपिटल लेटर्स. सिर्फ कैपिटल लेटर्स में आप फिल करेंगे. नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू राइट इन स्मॉल लेटर्स. ऑल राइट, सो दिस इज radish, RADISH. Number 3, what is this? This is tomato. TOMATO. So tomato. This is number 3, TOMATO. Let's move to the 4th one. What is this? This is onion, and you have to fill this in number 4th. This is number 4th, ONION, onion. So this is number 4th, ONION. Number 5, what is this? This is potato, and this is number 5 written here, POTATO, potato. So number 5 is potato. Potato means aloo. Number 6 is here. Which vegetable is this? This is cauliflower. So we will write cauliflower here. This is number 6 written here. C is already written. We will write the spelling of cauliflower. 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 FLO is already here. FLOWER. Cauliflower. Alright, this is cauliflower, number 6. Now the next one, number 7. What is this? This is pea. This is number 7 here. So I will complete the spelling of pea. PEAS, peas. Peas mean mutton. Alright, so there are different vegetables, and you have to fill this crossword puzzle with the spellings of these vegetables which are shown in this diagrams. Alright, number 1 is cabbage, and another one is carrot. Number 2, radish. Number 3, tomato. Number 4, onion. Number 5, potato. Number 6, cauliflower. Number 7, peas. Now let's move further. Froggy speaks. Potato is the most grown vegetable in the world. Do you know that? Potato means आलू is the most grown vegetable in the world. ये सबसे ज़्यादा जो वर्ड में पैदा होता है वो क्या है? Potato. That is called potato. Potato is the vegetable that is mostly grown in the world. An onion can bring tears from your eyes if someone is cutting it sitting near you. You all must have seen this at your home, that if someone is cutting onion next to you, then the tears comes in your eyes. So this is another thing. An onion can bring tears from your eyes if someone is cutting sitting near you. Tell me, name the superhero who eat spinach to get strength. So you have to name this superhero, means cartoon character, who eat spinach to get strength. You will tell the answer of this to me. Alright? You will give the answer of this. Okay? Now we just write down your today's homework. Homework. GK 20th 8/20. Learn page number 13 from your books. So you have to learn page number 13 from your books. This is page number 13 which we have done just now. You will complete your classwork, get it checked by me during your class, and then you will learn this as your homework, and you will find the answer of this also. This is your homework. Alright, this is your name the superhero who eats spinach to get strength. You will answer this also. Alright, so this is your homework. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.